Ano po ba ang official position ng defense? Bakit
Well, sa atin, kanina, our lead counsel, Attorney Sison, just felt the need to raise that kasi kumalat siya sa social media. I'd like to also respect, of course, si Attorney Libutan because hindi naman siya nakapagsalita rin kanina. I think bibigyan siya ng time on Monday. So hindi na lang ako mag-comment doon. I think Attorney Sison already expressed what she had to express earlier. I don't want to add on pa to what she said. I also don't want to add on, add fuel to the fire. So nasabi naman, kailangan mong sabihin, exaltan na natin presiding officer. So hintayin na lang natin sa Monday at in fairness, bigyan din naman natin si Attorney Libutan ng pagkakataon na magsalita dahil gusto na magsalita.
Sir, but what changes will be made with your strategy, especially with regard to having spokespersons who are not covered by the sub judice rule, especially with the warning of the presiding officer?
Yung sa spokesperson na suggestion ng ating presiding officer around 2 weeks ago, I already spoke to our client, Vice President, about it. And I think I'm free naman to disclose that she would prefer talaga that I stay on as counsel. So, if ever man, talagang we will just have to get a spokesperson that is outside of the legal team. Although, I have to be honest with you, sa ngayon, wala pa kami nakukuha or na pinakausap man lang. Wala pa po talaga. Kasi naging mabilis din yung takbo ng mga nakalang araw. So, this is something we'll have to explore further. But in the meantime, I'll have to stay on as a spokesperson with, of course, Attorney Gular also helping me to do the rounds. But I think we have to be